back end put together. You can see we got the leaf spring added, reservoir shocks are installed, reservoir set aside so it'll continuously cool the liquid. This thing's ready to go. Let's get some wheels on and take it for a ride. All right guys, test drive complete. I love it, absolutely love it. I would definitely install ICONVehicle Dynamics suspension. Coilovers were really simple to put in, very little change to the geometry. The add-a-leaf and rear reservoirs, guys, they knocked it out of the park. I would definitely recommend installing this kit. And if you want a truck like this, Tacoma or any make and model, if you want an Icon lift installed, reach out to us. Give us a call at NFI Empire. We do offer financing. Let's build something cool for you.